pa din si Kuya, oh, sa paggawa ng wall. Nandoon din si Mr., oh. Nagchika-chika kay Kuya. So, umulan kanina or umaambon kanina, kaya ayun nilagyan ni Mr. ng gazebo kasi kawawa naman si Kuya. Uy, na mabasa ba? Magluluto ako ng rice pudding kasi ito yung request ni Mr. Naglalambing si Mr. mga loves. Minsan lang ito maglambing ha, kasi yun na nga, as I said, hindi maganda yung pakiramdam niya. And napapansin ko kay Mr. pag hindi maganda yung pakiramdam niya, ang palagi talaga niyang nire-request sa akin is yung rice pudding nila dito. Yung rice pudding na gagawin ko is yung rice pudding na version nila dito. So, sinok ko na to overnight, itong sticky rice natin. And then, lalagyan ko siya ng gatas. Lalagyan ng asukal. And then, i-oven natin. Naglalagay din pala ako ng kaunting cinnamon mga loves. Sobrang kaunti lang. Gusto ko yung rice pudding ko na may cinnamon. May hint of cinnamon ba. Optional lang naman. So, madali na siguro itong lutuin kasi nakasok na to overnight. Kailangan ko lang i-turn on yung ating oven. Napakuha pala ng dugo si Mr. nung nakarang araw. So far, wala pa namang tawag or wala pa namang balita. Usually, dito sa doktor namin mga palangga, kung walang abnormality sa mga dugo mo or sa resulta, hindi ka nila i-inform. So, you would just assume na everything is okay pag hindi ka nila tinawagan. And pag tinawagan ka nila, that's when you know na merong something wrong. So, fingers crossed na walang abnormal sa dugo ni Mr. Yung dugong kinuha sa kanya is mga MOT lang naman. Oops. Hello! May parcel si Usman mga loves. Sabi ko, be careful on reversing, baka mahulog ka doon sa sa trench na dinig namin.
What's he being nosy?
Yeah, he's asking what is this you're digging. I said for extension. Nalagyan natin ng asukal.
Okay then.
Depende na yun sa inyo kung gaano katamis yung gusto ng... Ay! Kung gaano katamis yung rice pudding nyo. Yan na. See you in few hours. Natatagalan kasi ako magluto ng rice pudding sa oven. Nung nalaman ko na, ganito pala yung rice pudding nyo. Sabi ko, parang lugaw lang naman yan sa amin. And sinabi ko kay Mr. na why not iluto ko siya sa sa pot. Sabi niya wag kasi iba daw talaga yung luto ng oven at sa sa hob. Kasi gusto nila yung alam niyo yung milk, yung hot milk, 'di ba may skin siya pag hindi mo siya in-stir. Yun yung gusto nila na may skin, may pagka-brown yung skin ng milk ba. Yun yung gusto nila ma-achieve sa kanilang rice pudding. Diyan ka muna kasi baka kailangan pakita mamaya. And magtatap pa tayo ng mga palangga later on kasi aalsa pa yun. Oh! Update sa ating...
Oh, it's been on fire.
Update sa ating rice pudding mga loves. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na ito yung gusto nila, yung skin. Be careful because the skin will be very hot. Oh, it's not quite cooked yet. Yeah. It's almost there. You see, it's better when you soak the rice for 24 hours because they will cook quickly.
What are we for tea today?
We're having pork and thingy. We're having pork and mashed potato.
Mashed potatoes.
Yes, Han.
What pork?
Can I have some milk, please?
What? There's them sausages in it.
I'll have the sausage. And you
What?
pour
I don't want it.
while I'm mixing
Want
it.
it in there?
Yes, please.
Supposed to use cream, really.
Tikman ko muna to para malaman ko na okay na yung tamis niya. Para sa akin mga palangga, matamis na yung rice pudding. Nalagyan ko ng extra milk. And hindi pa masyadong luto talaga yung ating rice. So kailangan pa natin itong ibalik sa oven. Umulan kagabi mga palangga, kaya yung ating trench, yan may tubig. So, naglagay siya ng drill at tubo para mahigop yung tubig. Ay naku, parang ulan ulit mga loves ba. Nasampay pa naman ako. So, ito na yung wall na ginawa ni Kuya mga loves. Hindi pa siya tapos. What do you think? Approve? Nearly finished. Hindi niya sinagot ko approve ba. Hindi to bibigyan ng permiso ni Mr. mga loves kung hindi niya approve. Yeah, looks good naman. It's coming together, di ba? We're not finished here kasi lalagyan pa daw to ng, what do you call them? Panel?
We're going to make panels to go in here.
Yeah, we put a panel on that in here.
Panel.
Decorative panel. Yan yung sabi niya. Ano, nandoon ba si Kuya? Balik tayo dito kasi tingnan niyo, namangha ako sa ating blueberries mga loves. Ang dami ng hinog. They're not quite ready. Yan. But yeah, majority, like 80% of them are ready. Or ano na ba? Nag-i-start ng mahinog. I think, ito, ready na to ba? Bumili pa naman ako ng maraming blueberries sa sa Aldi kasi hindi ko napansin to na sobrang hinog na pala yung iba. Tomorrow ko na lang to ha-harvestin talaga lahat. Para ano ba? Para bongga. Nandito kami mga loves sa promenade. The tide is out. Naghahanap kami ng spot for fishing for tomorrow. That is to say because they're slippery, all these rocks. Hello, good morning. Good morning mga palangga. So we are out in the wild. Kasama ko si Mr. And you're the monster. They cannot hear you because you don't have your microphone. I got my microphone.
Have you got yours on?
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh, it's nice. Look at this. Ang daming windmill, honey.
what windmill?
I mean,
The turbine.
turbines.
Tell me there is out there, though. They just go forever.
How many? Wow. Pakita ko sa inyo mga loves. Probably, how many? 30 of them? More than 30.
Little fishing boat there, look.
Nandun, oh. Ang dami nila mga loves. Wait lang ha, i-zoom ko once we get there. Ah, this is a rocky beach, Han. Yan oh. You see? Thousands of them. Ang dami talaga. I don't know yung iba nakikita ba sa camera, but along there mga loves, madami.
It's quite shallow as it's walking.
Yeah, it is shallow. Well, let's walk over there. Yeah,
I think fishing.
we're here mga loves for
You know, the
fishing.
first place, if we hit Sandy Beach out most of where, we're a better chance of not losing gear.
Okay.
Just to fish at the side of these rocks and that.
Hmm.
Oh, there's a sea cabbage there.
This one? Is this a sea cabbage?
No idea. Look like a cabbage.
It looks like a cabbage, yeah.
You always find them on beach, you know.
Mm. So yeah, that's why we're here mga loves, kasi we're hoping to do some fishing.
Can't believe how many turbines there are here now. This is where we used to come fishing, I seem to do, yeah?
What did you say?
We used to come here fishing with the boat. Used to come across from Morecambe Bay and come up the front of the island here fishing. And there was none of these like when I used to come.
These turbines?
Yeah. There was some like out off Blackpool. There was none here. There's a mountain here called Black Coon. There used to be some on there, but they've been taken off because they've expired the lifetime. So I think that's Black Coon over there. But none of these ever existed.
I see.
There's nobody fishing, is there?
Nobody's fishing.
No.
Yeah.
No.
So it's probably not a good spot for fishing.
No. But what we should do is
Magkakapilan daw muna si Mr. Kaya papunta tayo sa Roundhouse Cafe bago mag-fishing. Yeah, tama talaga si Mr. mga palangga. Walang nagpi-fishing. Kasi diba, we need a deep water para makakuha tayo ng isda. Like, when we went to Ireland sa Dingle, nung nag-fishing tayo, yung water na yun, hindi siya malalim. Kaya siguro wala tayong isda na nakuha. Kaya, what can we do? Try and try again until we will get our fish. Sabi ko talaga kay Mr. na pag nakahuli ako ng isda, you need to film me. At then, mag-picture of course kasi first fish ko na makukuha yan. If ever man makakuha tayo ng isda. What is that? What is that?
that was a baby shark lived in that.
This one?
Yeah, that's a shark's egg pouch.
This is a shark egg pouch.
Yeah. They're attached. They attach to the seaweeds and stuff, and then they grow in that, and then they see the little hole. It comes out of them.
Oh, I see.
That'll be a toe, probably, or something like that.
I'm just surprised here, Han. This is my first ever na rocky beach.
Rocky Beach.
Yeah.
Is it?
Look, can you hold like a microphone?
What is a? Oh, it's a mussel. Is it full? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Hold it,
Pardon?
please.
Oh no, it's open, isn't it?
Ah, it's open.
It's dead.
mga loves,
Yeah, it's dead. It's dead. It's only small
I will
anyway.
get you your microphone. Naawa ako kay Mr. kasi sabi niya, saan yung microphone ko? Where's my microphone? Bibigay ko na nga lang. Kawawa. He got his microphone now.
There we go. Happy days. No swearing now, John.
Yep, no swearing now. Maybe you will find some treasures in this
It's
beach.
probably quite good for
Isn't it? For metal
Maybe.
detecting.
possible.
I would say so.
Yeah. This is the remains of a seagull.
Oh no. Tingnan
give it a
niyo.
proper cup and saucer, wouldn't
Tingnan
they?
niyo, doggy ice cream. 250. O, diba? Social yung mga dog nila, mga loves. May pa, ano talaga sila dito, may pa treat.
Darling.
It's a long way out. Tingnan niyo. You just go over there. Although we haven't managed to do some fishing, at least we have a good view while we're having our sandwich. It's a good weather as well, so yeah, you cannot fault it really. Here, I was really looking for my boiled eggs.
Darling, there'll be more looking forward to when you get home.
Ito yung dala namin. Sandwich. Still a bit shallow here, but we will try. Yung pamain namin, meron siyang, ano ba yun? Oh wow, it's quite a long way. It's not far. The tide is really coming in. It is. Huh? We need to get another rod. Mababasa ka, mister ba? Nice, dragging the bottom daw mga love, sabi ni mister. Right, okay. It's coming in fast. Very fast. Hindi na lang din ako magta-try mga loves kasi too shallow daw. At wala din naman tayo makukuha ang isda kasi it's dragging on the bottom. At least we try. We really need to have a small boat and so we can go to the deeper part of the ocean. And para ano ba, ilaglag na lang natin yung ating pamain and hindi na tayo magkakast. Mas better that way kasi. No good. No good daw, sabi ni mister. Well, let's go. Nandito na tayo sa bahay mga loves. Kakarating lang talaga namin. So, 3 o'clock na din dito. So, sabi ko na lang kay mister, umuwi na lang tayo. Kasi wala naman na tayong nahuling isda. And magsiswimming na lang kami. Kasi it's a good weather. So, it's been a while na din na hindi kami nakapag-swimming. I'm tired. This weather makes me sleepy. Gusto ko mag-siesta.